Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is I am going to share to you my opinion, my stand or opinion about the breaking up of the swag couple, which are Lee Sung Kyung and my brother Nam Jo Hyuk. Wow, brother talaga. So, hello guys. So, yung una pa lang lumabas yung rumors about the breaking up of the couples is I feel so annoyed because I don't think it is true, but suddenly after 1 day or 2 days after the rumors, YG Entertainment confirmed it that the swag couple are breaking up. And based on their explanation why they broke up is because the two of them are very busy on their jobs. There are because of maybe some issues on their life, but I hope after this, even though they are not couple right now, I hope that they will be friends forever. And and sana guys na hindi na sila yung parang ano ba yung parang conscious sa isa't isa kung magkikita sila. And nasayangan talaga ako sa swag couples kasi simula't simula nung weightlifting fairy came due pa lang, sinusuportahan ko na sila. At saka iniisip ko na nung naging sila isan, iniisip ko na magtatagal sila, pero hindi naman natin hawak ang panahon, hindi natin hawak ang mga posibilidad na mangyari, pero wala tayong magawa. Hindi talaga sila para sa isa't isa. Maybe tama yung ginawa nila, nag-break sila kasi inuuna muna nila yung trabaho nila para sa kanilang pamilya. At sana sa lahat ng mga fans ng swag couple, suportahan na lang natin sila kung saan sila masaya. Kasi the more na yung parang nasasaktan tayo is wow, nasasaktan talaga. So, oo, as a fan of the couple, nasasaktan rin tayong mga fans. So, I hope na suportahan na lang natin sila kasi yun ang kailangan nila ngayon. Hindi nila kailangan ng mga pambubuli o pambabash. Bakit ganyan? Pero malungkot lang malaman kasi bakit ngayon? Pwede umabot muna ng isang taon bago maghiwalay. Wow. So yun guys. And masaya ako para kay kuya ko, Nam Jo Hyuk. Wow, kuya ko talaga. Basta kuya ko siya. Huwag na kayong umangal. So kuya ko siya. And sana makita ko siya. And alam ko si Lee Sung Kyung, ate ko rin. Si Lee Sung Kyung, sobrang ganda ng tinig niya. And siguro sa ngayon, hindi pa sila handa na mag-usap ulit kasi nga sa mga nangyayari ngayon. So, yun lang guys yung masasabi ko. Sana suportahan na lang natin sila. And as a fan to swag couple, Kuya Nam Jo Hyuk, Yoonhae Nam Jo Hyuk, and Ate Lee Sung Kyung, sana pagpatuloy nyo lang kung ano yung nasimulan nyo. sana hindi magbago yung friendship na na-build nyo simula nang naging model kayo sa YG. And yun lang muna sa video na ito, guys. At sa hindi pa nakakapag-subscribe, please subscribe my channel. And I will assure you na marami pa akong videos na i-upload. And by the way, salamat kay Jonathan. Hindi ko na I cannot remember his last name, but Jonathan, thank you. Thank you, thank you bro, thank you brother. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you so much. Thank you talaga kasi because mag-i-English na ako kasi foreigner siya. So, Jonathan, thank you for waiting on my upcoming videos. Thank you for the support. Thank you for the subscribe. And thank you for everything. I hope that you will enjoy my videos even though I use my phone and I cannot edit because I don't have laptops or whatever. But in this video, I hope that you will like it and continue supporting me, and please share my channel to your friends. Thank you so much. Thank you for subscribing, and bye-bye. Thank you guys sa lahat ng nanood ng aking videos. Thank you, thank you. At sa lahat ng gustong magpa-shoutout, just comment down. And you can add me on Facebook. Just search Bricks Tiguman. On Instagram, Bricks BRICKS 007. So yun ang aking Instagram, at sa aking Twitter is @I'm_Bricks. So yun lang, guys. At sa Gmail ko pala is BRICKSTIGUMEN@gmail.com, which is brickstiguman@gmail.com. So yun lang, guys. Thank you sa panonood and God bless. More powers.